Okay, students, today our topic will be vowels. This is the most important topic in our English language learning, and it plays extremely vital role while we learn English, and it is a very basic concept. What happens yesterday? I also talk about this upon this concept. Sometimes we learn in school level there are only 5 vowels in English. But let me tell you, we already discussed it. There are 25 vowels in English. Topic will be vowels, right? So there are 25 vowels in English, right? So vowels are uh, defined in 3 categories. One is monophthongs, P-H-T-O-N-G, monophthongs, or pure vowels, or pure vowels, or vocoids, VOCOIDS, vocoids. It is monophthong. They are 12 in number. They are single and 12 in number. It has 3 various parlance: monophthongs, pure vowels, vocoid, right? Another thing is, other part is diphthongs, diphthongs, diphthongs. There are 8 diphthongs in English. Diphthongs, some linguists show it as impure vowels, conchoids, right? Then number 3, triphthongs. Triphthongs are 5 in number. Monophthongs are 12, diphthongs are 8, and triphthongs are 5, right? Then one more concept is there: semi-vowels. The semi-vowels are only 2. They are j and v. Don't say it is a J or W. No, it is not. In phonetic system of English language, we have discussed the vowel system of English language. It does not deal with Hindi, Urdu, or any other vernacular language of India. Let me make it clear. This is pronunciation system of vowel system of English language. It does not deal with any other language. Please make clear about it. One thing. Semi-vowels are 2. Monophthongs are 12, diphthongs are 8, triphthongs are 5. In total, they are 25, and semi-vowels are 2, j and v. J is unrounded, v is rounded. So, this vowel system depends upon their parlance is called monophthongs, pure vowels, or vocoids, or it is also called lax vowels, L-A-X, lax vowels. Lax vowels. They are triphthongs, and triphthongs are also called tense vowels. Monophthongs, pure vowels, vocoids, and lax vowels, right? Diphthongs, impure vowels, or conchoids, or tense vowels. It had 4 various titles: diphthongs, impure vowels, conchoids, tense vowels, triphthongs, and semi-vowels. So mainly in English, the linguist has decided 25 vowels, 12, 8, 20 plus 5, and semi-vowels we will deal at the end of the consonants. But today our topic will focus on vowel sounds, right? Because students must know there are not 5 vowels. This is A, E, I, O, U. They are not vowels, guys. Make sure they are not vowels. They are letters of English alphabet. They are letters of English alphabet. Students get confused once they come to know about the vowel system of English language, and this is the way how a language being taught. So student must know the pronunciation system of English language, because there is a great dearth of teachers who knows the phonetic system of English. So here I will deal with today particularly vowel system. Student must understand they are not vowels, they are just letters A, E, I, O, U. And vowel system is there: monophthongs, diphthongs, triphthongs, semi-vowels, right? But semi-vowels we will deal once we do the consonants. But today our main focus will be on monophthongs. So these are, my make sure they are not vowels, they are letters of English alphabet, and there is only one alphabet, one alphabet in English language. Here we will deal with the modern English language: 25 vowels, one alphabet, and 26 letters. 26 letters in English language. But let me tell you one more current information. Currently, the linguists have also decided to add one more letter in English language, that is informal. This is ampersand. It is called ampersand. This is called ampersand. And in short form we will say and. Ampersand is formal name. It is a Latin name, right? So its short form is and. So this word is derived from, this symbol is derived from and, the ampersand, and it is called and. But we will not use in formal language. It will not be used in formal language. It means we cannot use it in while we write a letter or application or in examination. This letter will not be used. So they have put in the category of informal letters. So there are total 26 letters, one alphabet, and the linguists have not decided yet. They want to incorporate this symbol in English alphabet system. So this process is underway. So maybe in the long run they will incorporate it, but you guys won't use it while writing your exam or letter or application, whatever. It is used for commercial purpose. It is used in informal language, which is non-academic. We cannot use it in schools, colleges and universities, especially this letter. People should keep in mind. Okay. Now, today I'll deal with the concept of monophthongs. Monophthongs or lax vowels, monophthongs, or pure vowels, or lax vowels, or vocoids, right? So they are single in number. First we will deal there, because it is the base of the language system. So there are 12 in number, as I told you, right? So and furthermore, it is, let us suppose it is called it is way of pronunciation, it is also called back vowel. Why back vowel? Back vowel because once we articulate this sound, right, tongue goes back. Tongue goes back. So it is called back vowel, right? These two slant lines are called slant brackets. Slant brackets. And all we will write the transcript symbols in all these slant lines. It is called long vowel. Why? Because long vowel, because there are two dots are there, colon. It means it is a long sound. So once two dots are there, colon is there, it means it is a long vowel. But once we articulate, tongue goes back, it is also called back vowel, long vowel. Long vowels and are unrounded. Unrounded. Why it is unrounded? Because our lips does not round. Let us suppose we take the example of this vowel. It is also a long vowel, right? I told you about it. This is slant brackets. We'll say ooh, ooh. The lips become rounded. It is called rounded vowels. It is rounded vowel. Rounded vowels. Ooh, ooh. Tongue goes back. It is also back vowel. Let us suppose we'll take the this vowel. It is ooh. We have this long sound, but it is a short vowel, right? First, we will deal long vowels. Ooh, and o. It is also a long vowel. Why it is long vowel? It is central vowel, central vowel, and unrounded. Unrounded, R-O-U-N, unrounded, unrounded, ah. Why it is central vowel? Because our tongue remains central, intact. It does not move forward, does not go back. So it is central vowel. So there are three long vowels, oo, ah. So they are central vowels. So tongue remains center. Here tongue goes back. It is reason it is you say ah, the tongue goes back. Once you say ah, like for example, bird, curd, surd, bird, ba, a, d, ka, a, d, curd, sa, a, d, surd. So tongue remains in center, so it is a central vowel. But here, once we write father, right? So what happened? Fa, the, father, father, father. So tongue goes back. Father, fa. So tongue goes back. Then ooh. Then we write pool, cool, pool, cool, pool, cool. Tongue goes back. So it is also a long vowel, but it is back vowel. So it tongue goes back. So it is a reason it put in the category of rounded vowel because our tongue gets rounded. Pool, pool, tool, 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 and lips get rounded. So it is rounded vowels, right? So we discuss first in uh, long vowels, yeah. Then we will come in short vowels. Short vowels. Short vowels mean oo, then o. Let us suppose we say pot. Pot. How will write pot? Pa, o, t. Pot. Then we write pot. Then it will be this realization will be AU and AW. Usually it is sound of, let us suppose we have this sound caught, CAUGHT, caught. So we will write this one. We will change the vowel here. Caught. So this is the reason we will use this vowel. This is also a long vowel, caught. Caught. So this is also a long vowel and it will be written as put. But let us, we have this sound but. So this vowel is a, it become but here is o. So it is also a shape of our tongue o. This is a. This is also a long vowel because two dots are there, caught, lot, taught. T-A-U-G-H-T, taught. It will be written as taught, not taught. See, in our Indian culture, people always ask this question. PUT is put and BUT is but. We will not go after the orthography. Orthography means spelling system. We will not go after the spelling system. PUT put but BUT but. We incorporate a mixture with our Indian system, with this European system and English language system. No, we cannot do that. It is the influence of mother tongue. Yesterday, I also talked about mother tongue influence, right? And it is called MIT. So usually it is we hodgepodge with our mother tongue system. So PUT put, BUT but we will not go after the spelling system. We will go after the transcription. What phonetics transcription says about it? Phonetics transcription. We will go after phonetics transcription. What is being taught or written in slant brackets? We will go after in slant brackets. So let us suppose pa is here, is a voiceless sound. Ta is also a voiceless sound. It is C V C system. Means C V C system. Here again CVC system means consonant, vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel, consonant. Here pa is voiceless. It is voiced. Why? Because they are plosives of English. We will discuss them in consonant class. Today is our vowel class, but in our consonant class, we will discuss, we will let you know why they are voiceless. Pa is voiceless. It is also plosive. Boy is also plosive, but it is voice. It is a reason we use this vowel and it become a, not but. It become a, so it is called but. So it is here pa is voiceless. We use u vowel, so it become put. Here we use a vowel, it become but. We won't say it but. Usually student ask me this question, sir, we will write this put put, we write but but how it can be but? Why not but? So it is a reason we will go after the phonetic transcription. We will not go after spelling system. In English language moves according to this phonetic system. Yesterday I told you about uh, pronunciation, because pronunciation does matter a lot while we will communicate someone. Our accent should be free from mother tongue influence. Mother tongue influence. Scientist has linguist has defined this MIT. It means mother tongue influence. There should not be mother tongue influence while we'll talk in English. Our English should be free from mother tongue influence. So it is a reason we must learn, let it be the course of language and communication system, whatever the reason may be, we must know the vowel system of English language and consonant system of English language. Because students are not aware about the vowel system of English. Vowel system is very, very much mandatory. It should be mandatory for students, those who are in the university or maybe in the school level, maybe in the high school or senior secondary school. Student must learn vowel system first. So it is a reason student gets stuck here while they see the spelling, but we will not go after the spelling system. We will go after the phonetics transcription, what is written in IPA. IPA means International Phonetic Alphabet. So what is written in alphabet, in phonetic transcription, we will go after that. We will not go after the spellings. Okay. Then there is another vowel is shwa. This is called shwa. It is a very complicated vowel there. This shwa. This is the title of this name of this vowel sound is shwa. And shwa is, this vowel is a short vowel, right? It is a short vowel, short central vowel, short central vowel. It is called shwa. Let us suppose we write here about, about, right? Ago, about, ago. So this is central vowel. This is called stress mark. This is called stress mark, and this is sure. That's all of today. We will continue tomorrow. Thanks for the day.